Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy here, aka B Forever Glam. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button below and thumbs up if you guys did enjoy this tutorial. So today guys, this video is sponsored by Jessica's Skincare Laboratory, and I'm super duper excited to share with you guys what I received because honestly, I have been on the hunt for a very long time for a product like this. Okay, so let's get into this video. So let's talk a little bit about the packaging. So I received the products in this white box, and if we flip it, on the back side of the box we have her social media handles such as her Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter handle on here, which is super cool. So let us open up this box and chit chat a little bit more about what is inside here. All right, so as you open it, it says, "Thanks for the support, beautiful." We have the packages that are wrapped in a purple wrapping paper. This is so cute. I honestly love the color purple. Like, purple is one of my favorite colors. Like, as you can see, this on my head, I have to have purple, favorite color. So I am really loving this. It just screams royalty to me. So let's get a little bit into this. So like I said, that we have the purple wrapping paper here. We have a thank you for your support card right here. This is so cute because on the back it has the directions and the ingredients of the products, as well as her social media handles. What is this? This looks like a little sticker. How cute is this? It's a little sticker with her logo on there. Oh, that's so cute. So I got, it looks like 4 makeup remover pads. This is what they look like, and this is how they came. This is so cute. So this one seems to have 1, and this says a pack of 3. So on here says you can just simply add water. It is washable, eco-friendly, and non-toxic. Good to know. Let's see what the back says. The back says, it has the directions right here on the back. It says, wet the pad with water and gently wipe your skin in circular motions. After use, hand wash your pad with soap and water and hang dry the pad. And you can launder it after 3 to 4 uses. That's good to know. I've never seen any instruction like that for makeup remover pad, so we're gonna test that out. All right. I love the size of this. It's such a reasonable size. It is thick, like it is not thin. I've seen thinner makeup remover pads before and not a fan. I wonder if it's going to absorb a lot of water or, you know, expand once it's wet like the beauty blender, so we will see. I love the fact that it has her logo that is right here, because you know, sometimes you might have a girlfriend that see that you're using, you know, a product like this. I'm like, girl, where did you get this from? So you can go bam, Jessica's Skincare Laboratories. So yeah, let me open this up. Oh, and I love the fact that this isn't in plastic, because a lot of times I've seen makeup remover pads not placed in a plastic. They're usually like in a mesh bag, like a mesh laundry bag. So I love this, love this. So I got 2 lip masks, and that's what it looks like. It has her logo in there. It looks super moist. I'm not sure if you can see like the water like that's in here, but it looks super hydrating. So I'm really excited to give this a try. I personally never used a lip mask like this before, so I'm super excited to see if this actually works. For the next packet, this one has a pack of 3 in here. Let's see what's in this bag. Laundry bag. This is so cute. Look at this. Look at the size of this. Wow, this is really cute. I love this, and everything is just so well branded. Like, this just seems like it is a very nice quality mesh laundry bag for you to, you know, put these makeup pads in. If you're interested and if you like this, you have the option of getting the pack of 3 or just a single one. So all of them are purple, which I am loving because purple is my favorite color, and I can't wait to test this out. Jesus. I'm going to take this out of the plastic And let's test this out. Wow, this feels very, very, very like luxurious. Like it's not flat, it's just fluffy enough. Like it feels like one of those microfiber towels that you use for your hair. Like, so I do have my container of water right here, and I am going to drop this in there to see how well it absorbs. So it's floating. So I have on a full face of makeup, and I also made sure that I applied some eyeliner, as you can see, because I really wanted to see if this does the job that it says it does. So let's talk a little bit about this while we test this out, okay? So Jessica's Skincare Laboratories is a Black owned. Wow. Just one wipe. Wow, like this is one swipe, guys. Try to use this side and see if I can wipe my chin area and under my neck. I'm impressed so far. That was just like one swipe, so I'm going to try the same side, and I just soaked up some more water in there, and I'm also going to try my lip. I'm really impressed, guys. As you can see, like this is the real deal. Like, let me try this side now. I am impressed. Jessica, you did that, girl. You did that. So look at that. So I'm gonna do mine for it. I do have on makeup up here. I love the fact that this is a eco-friendly product, and it is a reusable product. Like, legit, this looks like it's really easy to maintain, and all you have to do is just activate this by using water. So let us see if this takes the eyeliner off. I love the way that this feels, like even across my lips. Like I don't feel any fiber on my lips or anything like that. Like I really love the way how this makes my face feel. Like it feels really clean. Like I legit just cleaned my face. Like I'm still gonna cleanse it though. Yeah. Let me give you guys my conclusion on this product. Let's wrap this up because I need you guys to know what I'm thinking. All right. Rating this product out of 10, I would give it 10, and let me tell you why. The size and the quality of that makeup remover pad by Jessica's Skincare Laboratory, I could tell that she put her all into this. I've never seen a makeup remover pad like that. Never. It is so thick, and it soaks up the right amount of water, and it removes the makeup off the skin. Like, when I tell you I did not have to like push and tug in my skin to get the makeup off, girl, if you are looking for a makeup remover pad, you need to get this. Like, this is definitely gonna be in my travel kit because I'm not gonna go anywhere without this. This is really convenient because the past couple times I traveled, I honestly forgot to pack my makeup wipes. Like this makeup remover pad is the business. Like, girl, you need to get you one. I'm about to find, go get the pack of 3 because you get that laundry bag for free, and I'm telling you, that's a plus. It is Be Forever Glam stamped and approved. All right, so I will be sure to link everything in the description bar below for you to check out her website as well as her socials. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I will link it somewhere here on the screen, and I'll also put it in the description bar below. If you guys learned something or if you have any questions regarding the product, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer any of the questions for you guys. I do hope that you guys give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. I love you guys, and I'll see you until next time. Bye.